Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get cats, dogs and other animals in the city on InZOI game. So first of all, you want to press on edit the city or just press M on your keyboard. After you are here in the city, you want to press on city appearance and then press on animals options right there. Once you are here on animals, here you can control the animal density. So for example, you want to have a lot of dogs. So you're going to choose the dogs and make the density high. And for example, let's choose only dogs. And as you can see, here they are. You can also choose pandas and other animals. Now, you can only choose 3 animals in total. So for example, I'm going to choose cats, dogs, and pandas. And let's make it on high density. After you've done that, you can go ahead and go back to the game. Now let's go interact with the panda. Just press on the panda and feed bamboo, for example. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.